shit. Here we go again. Yes. Oh god. Milk. Oof. Oh my god, too much. Nice. Salt. No. Yeah. Oh shit, no peppers. Idea. Let's try this. Okay. Oh. I have a feeling this may be the best idea ever or the worst. Seconds in, I take it out, I mix it, bring it again, 30 seconds. So I take it out after 30, I then mix in, then bring it in with more 30 seconds. Get it? No? Okay. Mix. Back. 30. If it is not like you want, mix it again. Ooh, that ain't bad, is it? Oh, it's barely cooked. What? It's still liquidy. Back in the oven. Cook. Oh, you gotta be fast because it's gonna cook in residual heat. This seems good. Is it? Pretty decent. Not bad. Then it just starts cooking on this residual heat, so I should have stopped it 10 seconds earlier rather than the exact. Kind of works still, I guess. Too much milk, too much salt, too much oregano, too much time. But anyway, that's how it tastes. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's bad. For real though, let's taste it. Hey, it's actually not bad. I actually didn't know it's gonna taste good. Wow. Substitute for pepper. Yeah. Yeah, it actually fits for some reason. Give some more flavoring. Guess this idea was not bad after all.